How can I document certain emails? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new starred email in Gmail. Then we'll be sending the contents of that email to create a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. All right, let's build a workflow. We're going to start here at the Workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be New Starred Email to Google Sheets. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. This is going to be in Gmail. And the event is going to be New Starred Email. So this workflow will trigger whenever you star an email within your Gmail account. Want to make sure we're connected to Gmail. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of the video. And we'll test our trigger. And we have a new starred email. So we can use this email in order to build our workflow. So I'm going to click continue here. For my action step, I'm going to choose Google Sheets. The event is going to be to create a spreadsheet row. Make sure I'm connected to Google Sheets. The spreadsheet that I want to update with this information is my starred email spreadsheet, sheet 1. And now I'm going to map the data from the email into the spreadsheet. So I'm going to click the Add To button. For the first column, we have the email address. So then I can come down to this drop-down menu in the data section and find the email address of the sender. And click the Add To button. For our second column, we have the subject. Come to our drop-down menu again, find the subject, add to, the content of the message. So that's going to be the body plain field. I'm going to click Add To, and our last column is time received. So that's going to be the date. And then I'm going to click Continue, and we'll test this action. And it looks like we have a success. So I'm going to click Continue in our workflow. Then I'm going to peek over at my spreadsheet, and I can see that information was just added to our spreadsheet. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can jump back over to the Workload editor and check and see that there's a green dot in the upper corner of each of my nodes. Then I can activate my workflow. And now every time I star an email within Gmail, it'll take the contents of that email and add it to a new spreadsheet row in Google Sheets. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that will automatically document your starred emails in a spreadsheet. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this video with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel. Or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.